Welcome to JH Design Unlimited, Treasure Coast's one-stop design shop that's taken businesses' brands, both large and small, to the next level. We are located in Port St. Lucie, Florida, and offer a comprehensive range of visual branding services. At JH Design, we specialize in premium vehicle wraps, graphic design, print products, custom apparel, and much more. Our showroom is where you can see samples of our finished work from a portfolio of over 2,000 businesses that we've helped revamp over our 15-plus years in business, all of which are designed by in-house artist and owner/lead designer who has over 25 years experience in the design industry. Our goal is simple: to help local businesses stand out and get noticed with strong design and high quality marketing products, with vehicle wraps being the front runner. Every project is crafted with attention to detail and a personalized approach to each client. Our team consists of skilled veteran designers, print technicians, and highly trained 3M and Avery certified wrap installers. Each of them is a professional in their field, and together we create high-end quality products that are unmatched in the area. And now I want to show you an example of a local business that was in need of a brand refresh. They came to us for help, and we were able to come up with a fresh new branding, which starts with logo design. From there, we're able to design an effective and visually stunning vehicle wrap that will help gain more attention to the company's brand. This carried out with quality printing and premium 3M and Avery materials, and professionally installed by Treasure Coast's only 3M and Avery certified install team. Every project starts with discussing ideas. We learn about the client's needs, consider their brand, and set goals. Our lead designer has been designing wraps for over 15 years and has refined the skill of designing not just visually stunning wraps, but more importantly, highly effective wraps that generate leads and grab attention. The first stage is strategically mapping out the panels that are most effective for each vehicle. We then go to print using top-rated industry printers to create vivid and precise images onto top-shelf premium vinyl. Next, the vinyl goes through the lamination process. Each film is paired with the appropriate premium laminate, which adds durability and protects the vinyl from eternal factors. Before installation, the vehicle is thoroughly cleaned and prepped. This step ensures quality of the application. Our install team will remove many pieces of hardware and items from the vehicle to ensure full coverage with minimal seams and exposed paint. The final stage is installation. Our team of certified installers carefully apply the vinyl with proper techniques, making sure to avoid bubbles and wrinkles while making sure all the graphics are straight and registered to perfection. And there it is, the finished vehicle, driving out of the workshop, striking and completely transformed. JH Design is more than just a wrap shop. We build brands and create visual solutions that help businesses stand out and make an impact. By working with us, you get more than just a service. You gain a reliable partner in building your brand's visual identity. Get in touch with us so we can discuss your next project